Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to Kiki's Kitchen. I am doing some cooking today for a brunch that I'm doing for tomorrow. And so I'm gonna start this video a little on the backward side. This yumminess right here is my pancake casserole. And I just took it out of the oven because I made one because I had extra pancakes. And I made one for my husband for his lunch today. And since this is one that, that you assemble today for tomorrow, you wouldn't see the finished product. So I'm going to show you the finished product right here. And now actually, I don't have the sliced fruit yet, but you can put blueberries on top of that, strawberries on top of that, anything, chocolate chips, whatever you want. So this is the end product. So this is what my husband's having for lunch today, and he'll be a happy, happy boy. So I'm going to put you on pause, and then I'm going to get everything ready so that we can assemble this. I just wanted you to see what it looks like at the end. So I'll be back in a few. Okay, so like I said, we were working backwards, so I showed you the finished product, which PS to that we had for lunch, and it was very, very good. And now I'm searching for my cooking spray, so I'll be right back. Okay, I think I have it together now, as close as I get anyway. So what I have in here, because of course I'm doubling this recipe because I'm making it for 50, and actually I'll probably make one small pan aside from this too, but anyway, just to show you that delicious thing that I just showed you. So here are this is a dozen eggs, doubled, so the recipe calls for 6. So I've got a dozen eggs, and I've whipped them up. And to that, I'm going to add kosher salt. And you really do want to do this because it needs the salt to balance out the sweet of everything else. So, so don't discount that step. I think I need 4 teaspoons. Yes, I do. And so you can use, this is regular vanilla. So that's 1. But you can also use vanilla paste. And when you use vanilla paste, it is still a 1-for-1, 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. But this vanilla obviously is going to give it the custard that we're looking for, right? So let's get that in there a little bit. And then I've got heavy cream. In this case, I've got 3 cups of heavy cream. And I have 2 cups of milk, and of course I'm using whole milk because that's what I had, but you can use 2%. Get that mixed in there well. And finally, a 1/2 cup of sugar. And take my own advice and measure it off. And get that stirred in there until it's good and dissolved. Gosh almighty, I've been cutting up so many things today that I've got little cramps in my poor little hands. And so I've been like, I don't know if you ever get that, but I'll tell you, straight yellow mustard really helps a lot. On a teaspoon, a couple teaspoons of yellow mustard, and it goes away. Okay, so now I'm spraying my pan. This is obviously a full pan. And these pancakes are frozen from, and then they're very, very good. And these I got at Aldi actually. And I just thawed them out, but they come in a big pack, and then they are separated into packages of 3. So they make a great little breakfast. So I'm going to actually do 3 rows of them, and I'm going to overlap them. I think maybe I need to do the second row along with the first, and then do the last row. But this is very, very good. Very good, very simple. I mean, it's pancakes for a crowd, seriously. Pancakes for a crowd. The egg will act as a little binder to the bottom. So it's kind of like pancakes and eggs, but in a custard, like a French toast kind of a thing. Good for a crowd. Pancakes for a crowd. Pull that up a little bit. That looks good. Stick one under there. And down here. Looks good to me. There's not a magic number, y'all. So now all we're going to do is pour this over and cover it, and it's going to sit overnight. Then when we bake it, we're going to bake it covered at 350 for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to uncover it and continue to bake it until it's nice and golden brown. And that's probably another 20 to 30 minutes. And then when it comes out, you want to dot it with butter and drizzle it with syrup. And that's all that's all there is to it. Let's put this here and just pour it over. A nice even crash. Make sure they all get nice and coated. There you go. Ta-da! So that's it. And now I'm going to cover it with foil, put it in the fridge, and it'll be waiting for me tomorrow. I hope you try it. Have a good day. Bye.